Hi guys! Kami po ang Beat Radicals, yan, mga boys. So ituturo ko namin sa inyo yung dance namin na Closer. Ayun guys, ituturo na namin sa inyo yung Closer na dance namin. So mapapala nyo siya dito. Hindi kabis! Yan. Here we go, start the line. Yung first part, hindi namin ituro, yun yung nakuha. Yung second part naman, from 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. Wait. 6, up. Twist, twist, twist. Here, right, left. The left. Together. 4. Up to the right foot. Here. No fall. Ginawa nyo siya dapat direct yung tour. Hop, up your right. Up your left. And then down and down. So right now. Down. Continue. Slow. 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 Double time. Okay? Tapos kanya-kanya. Can't stop. Shoulder, shoulder. Very good. To the left. 1, 2. Jump, jump, jump. 5, 6. Footworks. Sa, sa, sa. Sa, sa, sa. Slowly. So baby. Head. Shoulder, shoulder, and down. Try, ha, ha. Here, and here, and here. And here, and shoulder, shoulder. Rotate nyo lang siya, touch nyo lang, in front. Slowly, here, go up, and up. Good. Front, scissors. Front and back. Turn. Sa hawak sa baba. This. And then head, head. Then kamay, kamay. Then atras. So kami natin ito. Here, throw. Here, throw. Jump and shoulder. Right? And go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. There. Hop to the left. Stick your right. Same. The other side. Then up and up. Away. Away. Continue. Step back your right foot. Then wave. Hit. Step back. Say left. Ha. Then right, left, right. Left, right, left. Okay? Gagawin din natin siya. Same formula, pero mas lighter yung movement. So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Never getting older. Up. So never. Ha, ha, ha. Guys, ulit-ulitin nyo na lang yung video. Pag may na-miss kayo, ulitin nyo na siya. So that's it. Thank you guys. And subscribe.